we go. This is my lab, and this is my segregation sort algorithm code, as you can see here. And I run it right here. It will in a second. The computer is slow today. Boom. Yes, and it kind of explains what it does as it's going. You can see here. So if we go to the top, this is the unsorted array, and then it starts to partition and pivot and move them back and forth, and it shows which elements it's swapping, and it continues to go all the way down until it's all the way sorted. And so I wanted to see kind of how this works better, so I built a little UI for it. I'll run that UI. So basically, yeah, it already had started, so, but yeah, it will swap the different ones with it after picking one in the middle, and then, yeah, eventually it will sort everything. Yeah. So basically, that's kind of like a visual representation of the algorithm. I hope you liked it. Built in Python, and the UI was built using tkinter.